Ronald Stacy. I'm from Jolo, and it's my first year in the ring.
My name's Andrew, and I'm from Wyoming County. I race, I weightlift, and I fight. That's all I do. I drive a couple trucks 6 days a week.
I'm 6'2", weigh 133 pounds. I'm 19 years old.
Wyoming County's gonna shut up McDowell County.
Big height difference in this fight. Huge height difference. Ronald Stacy is 6'2". Andrew Atkins, the Mighty Mouse, is 5'5". Let's see how that plays.
Oh, a small prayer. It looks like a small prayer.
Oh, wow. Small prayer in the corner.
So this will actually be a handicap match. The blue corner having Jesus by his side.
Yeah, oh! Little peacock out there.
Would Jesus approve of the taunting?
I believe he would. It's Good Friday. Get crazy with it.
Oh. The crowd is going insane right now. Unbelievable action. The Mighty
Unbelievable
Mouse.
dimensions by Ron Stacy. He's 6 foot and 133 pounds. It's almost impossible for him to have any power behind those punches.
But he's doing it. He's going as hard as he can. And he's got the little kissy face again. When you do the kissy face, you better win.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Rough N Rowdy. This is why we love this sport. This is why we love this company. Two guys that are throwing with nothing to lose.
And there's round one. Mighty Mouse, you can hear the crowd has gotten to a fevered pitch. We're coming down the home stretch of the fight card. They can sense that we have Thor and Travis Turman coming up for the heavyweight championship of the world. But hey, listen. Oh, here we go. We briefly interrupt. She has been dubbed the big cat of ring girls. High ass crack, looking fun, like wanted to just come out and party.
She looks like she snapped a skateboard or two in her day.
Yeah.
Just by trying to ride it. But typically Rough N Rowdy crowds will love a little extra meat on the bones for their ring girls. For whatever it is, they go gaga if these ladies are a little bit on the heavy side.
Yep.
Absolutely. You're not hearing the storm outside. You're hearing the thunder in those thighs.
Oh, nice line there, Robbie. All right, round two, the Mighty Mouse versus Ruthless Ronald Stacy. Tons of action in the first round, and this crowd is going insane.
What shoes is Mighty Mouse wearing there? Are those some Paul Georges? Is that
Yeah.
a Kyrie?
Ooh.
What is that?
Yeah, they look like the new Kyries. Nice colorway.
Fantastic colorway. He has the pink sock to match.
This goes without saying, but this fight is extremely violent.
All right, we just got a quick update on Dave. He's in the car trying to sleep it off. He's still alive, though.
Thank God. We just saw a fighter walk away and turn his back on his opponent with no punches thrown. Really unbelievable stuff.
Mighty Mouse throwing haymakers here, getting underneath.
Oh,
Is it
Mighty
going-
Mouse is eating up.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
A slam!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Mighty Mouse slams his opponent through the mat. A full-on wrestling move. I've never seen anything like it. He's in the corner flexing. They're gonna call this fight. We might have a broken back. Rough N Rowdy ain't nothing like it.
What have we just seen? Ruthless Ron Stacy is on his back, holding on to his side after getting powerbombed through the mat.
Now we have Mighty Mouse turning the crowd to a mix of boos and cheers. People hate him, people love him. We need a replay right now.
That was the first spine buster in Rough N Rowdy history.
Look
And
at
his
this.
spine might be busted.
Mighty Mouse picks him up.
Leverage the scoop.
Oh my
Oh,
God,
my
right through there.
sweet Lord. What form tackling right there?
Oh wow, we're hearing. No, it's over. It's unbelievable what Mighty Mouse just did, because there was that moment where everyone gets in a clench and they decide, all right, we're gonna go. No, he went all the way through it.
He went all the way.
Spine. He broke his spine.
What did we just see in that ring? I believe it was a spine buster.
I fucked him up.
Why did you do that?
That's what I do.
Are you apologetic whatsoever?
No, I'm not. I'm more UFC than I am boxing. It's the first time me trying boxing.
You know this was boxing.
Yeah, I know it's fucking boxing.
Okay.
But I mean, damn, man. I just seen fists. I reacted. That's all I can say.
And you're not sorry for what you did?
Nah. Come get it.
Wow.
Robbie Fox here, Rough N Rowdy commentator and ringside correspondent. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. New videos every week, and go to watchrnr.com for the latest info on our upcoming events and how to find out how you could be the next fighter in the Rough N Rowdy ring.